My name is Claire Hankin-Wray, Special Counsel at Goldberg Segalla, a member of the New York State Bar Association.
Ethical issues faced by attorneys on social media platforms. 1. Unilateral connections. Social media guidelines and ethic opinions typically prohibit attorneys from sending friend requests to an adverse party on social media because a friend request involves a communication of some sort, where you're asking permission to view or interact with another user's profile, and the request requires a response from the other person. Can I follow or be your friend? Yes or no. However, YouTube doesn't have a similar bilateral connection component. On YouTube, you can follow or subscribe to a user's channel without their consent, and they can separately and unilaterally follow you back. A YouTube user does not have to respond to and/or accept follow requests. Therefore, YouTube does not present the same ethical issues faced by users of other social media platforms, where friending or following another user can result in an unethical communication. 2. Visibility. Unless a YouTube video is marked private, anyone can find and view a user's content without needing to subscribe or follow that individual's account. Moreover, even when a user does like or subscribe to another user's videos, the YouTube user who uploaded the content typically will not be shown the identity of the person liking or subscribing to their page. Therefore, the anonymity available to users on YouTube also avoids ethical pitfalls common to other social media platforms, where viewing content leaves a tag or notification that could possibly be interpreted as a form of communication. Still, there are instances where an attorney might ethically be required to announce their presence or reasons for interacting with another party. This is where the anonymity of YouTube could potentially pose a problem for attorneys. However, YouTube users often have a public comment feature available on their videos that could be used to announce an attorney's reason for connecting with the user. And more recently, YouTube added a private message feature integrated with Google+ that allows YouTube users to message each other via their Google accounts. Number 3, advertising. Last but not least, many attorneys use YouTube for advertising and promoting their legal skills and services, or for posting educational content. But there are a few rules attorneys should be mindful to follow when posting content on YouTube. 1. Don't post misleading content. While promotional videos are now clearly accepted under legal ethics rules, such communications are still subject to the rules prohibiting misleading or false advertising. So attorneys should be mindful to comply with such rules when posting advertisements or promotional videos on YouTube. 2. Don't create an attorney-client relationship. Attorneys need to make sure that their videos would not give a reasonable person grounds to believe that they formed an attorney-client relationship. So to make sure your video is not seen as creating such a relationship, be sure to state at the beginning of the video or in the captions that no attorney-client relationship is formed by viewing the video. And be careful to avoid discussing case-specific information or facts. Number 3, use an effective disclaimer. Disclaimers are a lawyer's best friend, and when in doubt, a disclaimer is a very good idea. Depending on what you're discussing in your videos, you'll likely need to include certain disclaimers. For example, this video is intended for educational purposes only and does not establish an attorney-client relationship. If you need assistance with a specific legal or ethical matter, please be sure to contact an attorney.